Alright, so another adventure begins on a Friday evening after work. Get away now. I was just singing Electric Lady by Janelle Monáe. You don't know it. Just found her this week. It's alright. In a bit. Alright, pulled out the old heels today. Everything's getting in the camera's way, but that's alright. They won't last long. Y'all already know what time it is with me and heels. But it's cute. For the time being, I thought I dropped something, but it might have just been a strap. A strap against. Are we actually gonna ever find these guys? I don't know.
No, we are.
Okay.
Morgan Stanley's there.
Yeah. Wait, the camera needs to focus.
Did we go at the right stop?
Yeah. Canary Wharf is there's only one Canary Wharf.
Man, this is long. Maybe we'll go back that way. Over there. Let's go on that side. Sorry.
It's fine.
This is so long.
Hey babes. So we're trying to find Chris and Jude, but who knows where they are in the world. You know, they're around here somewhere, which is the most important thing. So we're just gonna find them, and then yeah, plans are gonna change, I feel, because some people dropped out, so we're just gonna make it work and then go from there. Alright, we'll reconvene once we find them, I think. I think all of what I just filmed was blurry, but that's okay. Alright, this is the place that I'm going at, and that's the place that she's going at. Should've just worn my boots. Ooh, perfect. Just saw somebody that I think I know, or maybe I've just seen them on social media. I don't know, but yeah, you know when you get confused, like where do I know you from, live or online? But yeah, now I was just talking to people about knowing people from live or online.
What build? Oh, why is this so difficult?
What can they see? What can they see?
What buildings can you see? Can you see the city back building if you look up? CITI.
This has never happened before.
Yeah, we're okay. Yeah, we're by JP Morgan, but I think you guys are on the other side of this. I think that's the issue. Yeah,
Come. Wait, Cherie, I'm in heels. I can't be running like you, alright? Alright?
Let's go.
Okay.
Wait, is that say?
No, it's blurry. Is it Marks and Spencer's? Obika. Obike? Should we stay here and they come to us?
Wait. Oh, we just passed the station. Okay, this is when you look across from JP Morgan, you see like this
notice board with
this notice board that's going on that says Samsung Chiefs Trial of the Century. It keeps going around.
Is there like a yellow notice board? Not notice board, but yeah.
Do you see Cafe Rouge? You see Cafe Rouge? You see?
Guys, this hardly ever happens. Hardly ever happens. But here we are, traipsing around Canary Wharf, trying to find them. And the camera is just doing dodginess right now. But here's Fleeky. The length is there, isn't it, peeps?
Wait.
It's there.
Wave your hand.
It's there.
Wave your hand. Are you guys standing in front of the station? Oh, God. Yeah, he needs to take the wheel.
Who, Jesus? Jesus?
Yeah.
Yeah, he does, doesn't he?
Okay. Notice boat going around. Yes, Jude, I see it. So where are you? Yes. Okay. Walk towards the digital text and we'll meet each other there. We both can see it, but we can't see each other.
Are we crossing? Are we doing this?
Hilarious. You guys are silly. Okay. Oh my God. I kind of want to see you guys first, just to win this thing. I don't know why.
Hey, smoke, Jesus.
How are you guys?
Did they see like a solid concrete block with people leaning up against it? What are they wearing?
What do you guys want? No, Chris is tall. I see him.
Yeah.
No, I don't. I'm saying I would see you. Oh God, this is. Yes. What is it saying? Welcome to the wall, artist Banksy. Yes. So where are you? Where's close? Oh my God.
There's quite a few black people around here.
Oh my God. I want to.
Yes, I see them. Success.
God.
Success. I heard a voice.
This is great.
Wait, was he going like, hey? Was he saying that?
Yeah.
I could hear him from over here. Lol.
Tell Jude that Sato could hear him from over there.
Focus,
God,
camera,
I can't
focus. Yes, do the right thing. Here comes the two Lord soldiers. Coming in from the rear.
Vlog life. We made it. How are you?
Why was that so hard?
I don't know. Where exits? Where exits?
How are you?
Good, man.
Hey. Your haircut is perfect than I want. Yes. Hi.
Yeah, vlog life.
Yes.
I'm gassed.
Okay. So
This is Jude, everybody.
Just to let you know that
I was just supposed to go out.
really.
Can I tell you that?
Well,
Ultra light.
stop it, and it's probably the lighting. That's what it is.
I wanted to put blurry in there, but it didn't work. Because I was like, ultra
I'm
light.
falling.
But yeah.
I'm falling.
Okay.
Where were you guys before?
Okay.
On the other side. All the way on the other side.
Usually I get off at this side, but I forgot.
Alright.
I didn't know about this side.
So,
My eyes aren't
Are you still filming?
together.
I am still filming.
We need to go that way, no?
Chris.
Which way are we going?
I'm through, it'd be great. Yes, Jesus.
To let them know who I am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. That's alright. That's alright.
Oh my God. Jeez, man.
Alright.
Oh. It's been a minute, bro.
Too long.
Yes.
So,
Let's eat.
it's, it's open now because we don't need to go rum and sugar. We can go wherever you guys want to go.
Oh, okay. Whoa.
But wait, hold up. Tea time. Hold up.
Alright, Eva.
I'll give you options, okay? I'll give you options.
Okay, give it to us.
So, there's Big Easy.
What's that?
It's
I've heard
a
of that.
restaurant that's at the top. They have a garden section as well back there. Has a nice view, so that's nice.
Yeah.
There's
Every
Every
man.
Man Cinema to watch Logan. That's
Yeah.
Logan! Let's go watch Logan. You're not seeing him in already.
I think you want to go eat somewhere,
I'm hungry.
and you want to go eat somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can say that.
We can do. Can't we do both?
It depends on what time the screening is, isn't it?
All right, I'm chatting
You want
this
it,
off
yeah?
now.
So we're gonna
All
eat first, of
Does
course.
anyone
Yeah.
have anywhere they need to be tomorrow?
All right, so change of plan. Instead of going to rum and sugar, we've come to Bigger Than Easy, Big Easy. So,
Let's take a selfie. Yo, yeah, that's lit still. Viral.
that imaginary selfie life.
Yeah.
Chris,
Use the
Jude,
phone anyway.
Sheree,
Of course, fam.
hi. Everybody looking fleeky in their own right. Yeah, but I think we've shown you guys this before. Sheree, did we upload this one? Okay. Who named the group? Was it me? Was it you? Whoever the group admin is, done.
Am I going to bed? What?
I know, it's amazing, isn't it? I always wanted to come back here at night and look at God.
No.
Look at him working out. I know this is going to be hell to blurry.
Did you want to upload on Snap? Did you want to snap something?
I could do.
Yeah, the light is not that great, so it's gonna be blurry.
Yeah.
But there she goes in her heels. Who shot his music video?
A brother called IQ.
IQ is someone you know?
No.
Oh. I was about to be like, promote him then, but if you don't know him like that, it's okay. If you don't know him like that, then it's fine.
And I just,
Oh,
you know.
hey Nevin. I'm reading your snap just right now.
I'm saying,
You said, sigh, lol. What are we talking about again? Company. Yeah. I can't go into detail about what actually happened, so yeah. But if you really want to know, get in contact with him. He'll let you know. Hey, with the number one El Din Donyo. You already know what it is, so don't question it.
What?
That's right.
I'm done. Lit as well.
That was lit.
Yes.
Well done.
Yes.
Blur/reference.
Reference.
So Big Easy, this
That was dirt.
restaurante, what does it serve?
Like American style food, like
Cornbread, cheese,
Come on, Jesus, I'm there.
sweet potato fry.
No, this is
I realize that
not every sweet potato fry place selling
It's good.
is great.
It's good.
It's emotional.
Oh, it's blurry. I'm gonna stop it now. I'm sorry.
Wait, go back. Your face was clear.
Amen.
No, it wasn't blurry. Not as in your skin was. I'm stop. I want to stop. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop.
Oh, hi, I see a mirror.
Yep, everyone's looking clearer than clear. And that's Jude, everyone. But the square is still stuck on your face. Jude can't take your shine.
Or you look.
So that was everybody. But I turned the camera around too late, I think. Oh, we got signed copies of the album, Shiri. Of the CD. We got signed copies of Obama's El Dildoño. So I don't know what's happening with the other side of this. Why didn't you play?
But you people are running away. How can I just, you know, that's not how we win. Can't win on your ones. You gotta win on your twos. On your toes.
What was she doing? I didn't even see her. No, the other woman, the white woman on the other side. She was looking like, what's happening here? What are y'all doing? Alright guys, I think this...
Too high.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Just a touch of love, just a touch of love. Where are we going? Is it far? It is far. I remember it being far, and I'm sure we're in the wrong bit.
Do you want to get a train on the go?
I'm trying to live a different life.
Could we please get some like trainers? She doesn't want to, but I think she should.
Press your pocket back inside. Inside?
It's okay. You tried. You did your utmost best to uphold
Oh, let's get a seat.
your
Let's get a seat.
everythingness.
No, I don't need a seat,
I was
Jude.
actually gonna literally bring the seat across.
Oh, Jude. Thank you. All this please though. No, I'm good, thank you.
Sure.
Yeah.
She's gonna change now.
Oh, we're further along.
I don't know
Well
that
done, everyone.
Chris wants to eat some food.
What, are we here?
You've been working all day.
We're working.
Wait, your new job now?
Yes.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Last time we came down, there was
Yeah, it's pretty, isn't it? I'm holding the strap. Oh, look, some ducks. Can't see them. If that falls, then that's the end of that. Pastor paid for this. She paid quite a bit of money for it. So it's her camera. I'd rather something happen to my camera than I'm to blame, than to happen to her camera, and then I'm to blame. That won't work. She'll forgive, but you know, sometimes you don't want to. You just want to let it go.
Hey, man.
Eh?
Sorry, I'm putting this.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna stop this now. So, bye.
Oh, did you film over there?